Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to set up a build pipeline in Azure DevOps. At the end of this video, you will learn how to automate your build process without writing any code. Open your Azure DevOps project, go to the left menu and click on Pipelines. Click New Pipeline and then select Use Classic Editor at the bottom of the screen. Choose where your code is stored. It can be Azure Repos Git or GitHub, Bitbucket, or etc. Select the repository you want to build. Azure DevOps provides predefined templates for ASP.NET and ASP.NET Core, ASP.NET Functions, Python, Node.js, and so on. If none of the templates suits your needs, choose Empty Job to create a custom pipeline from the scratch. In this example, I am going to create a custom template for the .NET project. In order to restore the dependencies for .NET projects, add a NuGet tool installer and NuGet restore task. Add the MS build task to compile the application. You can also add tasks to run unit tests, but I am excluding in this example. At the end, you can add publish artifact to store output files. Let's enable continuous integration. After adding tasks and configuring them, click Save and Queue to run the pipeline immediately. Once the pipeline is triggered, you can monitor the build process. The logs will provide detailed output for each task. Alright, we have successfully configured the build pipeline. I will now push some changes to the master branch, which will trigger continuous integration and start building the pipeline.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.